Hello again, Espresso Cyborg here. This will be an easy one. We will be doing hard labor on a MDX grinder. Here is what we are dealing with. A loose and incorrect bean hopper caused the grinder to fall from a counter. This damaged the base, the switch. There are also some damaged basey screws, and we will be replacing the burrs. While we are repairing the grinder, we will be adding a new bean hopper. Okay, let's sip some espresso. Here are the tools needed for this project. Screwdrivers, flat and Phillips a pick, needle nose pliers, and in my case vise grip pliers to remove the damaged screws from base. On my project, I will be replacing the burrs, the grinder base, the main switch and the bean hopper. Remove the dozer lid and upper grinder lid. Set those items in your cleaning container for now. Using a pick, clean the screws on the automatic release assembly and the burr chamber. Remove the 3 screws on the auto release assembly and place the plastic parts in the cleaning container. Loosen the screws on the dosing hopper cylinder, which are partially hidden under the release assembly, about 2 to 3 turns. Lift the release assembly off the cylinder. Yes, that goes into the clean bucket. Remove the screws on the cylinder back and place all those items in the, the cleaning bucket. Turn the dosing star to view the screw on the top spider. Clean the screw with your pick, then remove. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry up the top spider. Do I have to continue saying, place it in the clean bucket? We all see the theme here. Remove the middle screw. You might have to hold the dosing adjustment knob on the bottom of the grounds chamber to remove the screw. With the screw removed, press down on the dosing star and unscrew the adjusting knob. You will notice when the knob shaft clears the star. You know what to do with the parts. Remove the 3 screws on the burr chamber, clean the screws on the burrs and remove. Set the upper burr holder in the, cleaning container. Clean the brass nut in the middle of the burr chamber. If you want to remove the lower burr holder, which I will not be doing, remember it is set with reverse threads. Add a coffee cleaning pill or a teaspoon of Purocaf powder in the cleaning container and fill with warm water. Wait 15 to 20 minutes, then clean the parts with a soft brush and towel. Wipe parts dry and place on a bar towel to air dry. Place the grinder on its side and remove the remaining screws on the base if there are any. They are usually hidden behind the front foot and the 2 back feet. Disconnect the ground wire, then the brown and white wires on the bottom part of the switch. The red and blue wires on the capacitor needs to be disconnected also. Remove the 4 screws on the bottom plate with the capacitor. That should free the old base with only the switch and the cord. On some models there is a thermal limit reset switch. Remove the 2 screws holding the cord in place. Clean the cord using a cleaning wipe or towel and cleaning solution. Then set cord in new base. Clean the bottom base plate and set it in position on the new base. Set in the new switch on the base if you have not done so yet and reconnect the wires. Slide the base onto the grinder and screw it in place. When complete, set the feet in position. Vacuum, brush and clean the dosing chamber. Wait 1 to 2 hours to make sure our cleaned parts are totally dry. Set the new burrs in position and screw upper burr holder on the grinder. Reassemble the dosing star. Add the cylinder and the release assembly. Set the grind on the grinder and in my case add the new bean hopper assembly. With that, our grinder looks brand new. Hopefully you are sipping on your espresso while working. Thank you for watching.